Hello, welcome to INEO Kitchen Equipments. We're currently in the Maldives. We're attending for the FHAM exhibition. And today we're introducing a new ventilating system. For this ventilating system, it's very unique. We use a water cooling system, as you can see from the back. A water pipe is directly connected to the machine itself, and the water inside will cool down the hot air from outside and turn it into cooled air to the other side to connect with a tube here directly to the ventilating system and to our chefs. As you can see, the temperature difference, if the outside temperature is very high, for example 35 degrees Celsius, through our water cooling ventilating system, we can drop the temperature down to 28 degrees Celsius. What's special about this equipment is that it doesn't require an additional compressor. We use purely from water cooling technology to ensure that it is more energy efficient. To give you an idea, you use only about 20% of the energy consumption rate comparing to an air conditioner. The power consumption rate is about 500 watts. And also, for our water cooling system, it will consume about 2 liters of water per hour. So it's very efficient in terms of energy and water usage. So that's all for the ventilating system. Thank you very much.